Installation of the Porsche 987.2 Boxster and Cayman side intake grills. These are from www.radiatorgrillstore.com, and they are very easy for fitment. They're basically press fit. All the tools you need are to remove this side intake cover, remove that from the car with basic hand tools, and then you align the grates here, and they are just press fit. Get them aligned as best as possible to eliminate as much gap as you can. And the second grill is press fit as well. And install with no tools. This one is ready to go back on the car.